Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where the promoter Chitralekha Ashok Hiremath has acquired 40,000 shares from the open market on 29 July 2019. Now friends, we also run a couple of very successful Telegram channels. Even in the midst of this carnage, when most portfolios are bleeding, our model portfolio on both the investment and trading side still continue to provide positive returns. If you want to go ahead and join our Telegram groups, please go ahead and open a completely free Demat and trading account through the link provided in the pinned comment. Alternatively, if you are in a country where YouTube membership or Upstox account opening is not available, you can also choose to become a patron on Patreon. The link for all of these are present in the description of the video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Aztec Life Sciences Limited, which is available at Rs 359.70 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is ASTEC. Now Aztec Life Sciences Limited is an India-based holding company engaged in agrochemicals, including fungicides and herbicides business. It manufactures a range of agrochemical active ingredients and pharmaceutical intermediates. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has been a consistent laggard and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. The company is also trading below all its major moving averages, which means that it will face resistance on the way up. The market cap of the company is 703.73 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 16.94 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 21.23, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 39.16. The company has a debt to equity of 0.8676, which is a bit on the higher side, whereas the return on equity is 0.1921. The dividend yield is 0.42%, whereas the promoter holding is a decent number and stands at 68.14%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.